Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on PC. First, you'll need to acquire the game. Terraria is available on various digital platforms, most notably Steam, for about $10. After purchasing, download and install it. Make sure your computer meets the minimum specifications, which typically include a 2.0 GHz processor, 2.5 GB of RAM, and 100 MB of storage. Once installed, launch the game and begin your adventure. Now, let's cover the basic controls and interface. Movement is intuitive, using the W, A, S, D keys for direction and the spacebar to jump. Your mouse is crucial for interaction. Left-click to swing tools or attack enemies, and right-click to place blocks or interact with objects. The Escape key opens your inventory, where you can manage items, craft new ones, and view your character's stats. Familiarizing yourself with these will greatly enhance your early game experience. Surviving your first day in Terraria is key. Start by chopping down trees for wood and mining stone. Combine these with gel from slimes to craft a workbench, pickaxe, and sword. Before the sun sets, construct a simple house with walls, a door, and a light source to keep out nocturnal enemies. Exploring nearby areas can reveal valuable ore deposits or chests, providing a significant advantage for your early progression. As you progress, expand your world and base. Digging downwards will lead you to rich veins of iron, silver, and gold, essential for stronger gear. Build additional rooms in your base, each at least 6 blocks wide and 10 blocks high, to attract NPCs like the guide or merchant, who offer valuable services. Challenging and defeating bosses will unlock new biomass and progress the game's narrative, opening up even more content to explore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.